Beat the heat, cool down your Harley for the ultimate ride. Stick around for a $20 savings code on heat reduction mods. Click the link in the upper right to see this video in email format. Infrared heat gun thermometer does not give an accurate engine temp measurement.
So this is 101 degrees at that distance, but look at, I go to that angle and it's 92 degrees.
When we did the video series, Why and How to Cool Down Your Twin Cam and Milwaukee 8, we did not expect so many folks to let us know that they still believed 280, 300, 320 or even 340 degrees Fahrenheit was perfectly fine for their bikes.
People spend all kind of money to increase their performance, but they don't pay any attention to heat, and all they're doing is nullifying the money that they spent increasing compression, different heads, different exhaust.
Check out these other Harley cooling videos and cool down your ride.
Very simple. The bike you spent all that money on is going to last longer. It's going to have more power. It being cooler, radiating less heat on you, you're going to be more comfortable, and it's going to get better miles per gallon.
And we're going to give you guys 10 things you can do that are low and no cost modifications to make your bike more comfortable, more powerful, and more reliable.
Street tested, street developed, dyno proven cooling components for your Harley Davidson. A cooler engine will run stronger for longer, plus less radiant heat will result in much more riding enjoyment. There are many little things that can be done to help lower engine temps, making your ride more comfortable. A combination of these little things will equal big drops in engine temps. You can see many cooling mods and components linked in the description below, but here are just a few examples. Cooling deflector wings for touring and trike models. Get more air to your engine and less helmet buffeting. Oil filter relocation. Cooler oil temps plus less mess with oil changes. Gas tank lift. More airflow over the engine plus less helmet buffeting. Beat the heat and save big. Get the ultimate ride with ultimate heat reduction mods. Click your bike in the description below for details on ultimate heat reduction savings. Thanks for watching this video version of our email. There is a link in the description below to see the actual full email.